Good day, we are Group 3, GYL Manufacturing, who produces Face Eat Face Shield. I am Amaril Maven Kin, and here are my proponents.
I'm Anisco Emily.
Aranyas Jan Michael.
I'm De Leon Kate Lawrence.
I'm De Ocampo Case Denise.
I'm Laracas Ayo Nicole.
Robledo Christine Shane A.
Santos Christine Joyce.
My name is Stan Vincent Arthur.
Year 2019, when COVID-19 started, authorities implemented wearing a face mask and face shield to prevent the spreading of virus rapidly. Year 2020, when Miss Mamaril, Miss Anisco, Miss Robledo, Miss De Ocampo, and Miss Santos produced Face Eat Face Shield. Because they continuously buying and buying face shield, and same problem occurs, full of scratches. They invented Face Eat Face Shield and built a firm called GYL Manufacturing Company, that means guard your life. Wearing Face Eat Face Shield guards your health, that has great effect on not just on your life, but also everyone. Wearing Face Eat Face Shield guards your health and has great effect on not just your life, but everyone near you's life. GYL Manufacturing is a general partnership, and they started with a capital of 600,000 pesos and is located at 359 AC Mercado Street, Wawa 2, Rosario, Cavite. The 5 entrepreneurs want to help people to save their money, see clearer, and be comfortable when wearing a face shield. Year 2019, when COVID-19 started, authorities implemented wearing a face mask and face shield to prevent the spreading of virus rapidly. Year 2020, when Miss Mamaril, Miss Anisco, Miss Robledo, Miss De Ocampo, and Miss Santos produced Face Eat Face Shield. Because they continuously buying and buying face shield, and same problem occurs, full of scratches. They invented Face Eat Face Shield and built a firm called GYL Manufacturing Company, that means guard your life. Wearing Face Eat Face Shield guards your health, that has great effect on not just on your life, but also everyone. Wearing Face Eat Face Shield guards your health and has great effect on not just your life, but everyone near you's life. GYL Manufacturing is a general partnership, and they started with a capital of 600,000 pesos and is located at 359 AC Mercado Street, Wawa 2, Rosario, Cavite. The 5 entrepreneurs want to help people to save their money, see clearer, and be comfortable when wearing a face shield.
Environmental analysis, industrial analysis. Face shields are widely used by medical institutions around the world. It played a vital role in protecting both medical workers and patients from cross-contamination, pathogen, and virus transmission during medical and surgical operations. As COVID-19 arises, using of face shields are also required to use by a public, especially going outside and crowded places. Manufacturers in face shield market increase the production capacity to meet global demand for face shield. For competitive analysis, as what we are experiencing right now, wearing a face shield is a must to protect themselves and help to prevent the spread of the virus. Our product has a good quality that lasts for a long period of time, comfortable to wear, and can give customer confidence to wear. Customers are more attracted when the product is more durable. We are confident that our service is very convenient and very proud because our product will not make any discomfort to our valued customer. It addresses the problem that face shields are very fragile and easy to scratch, so that the company decided to create an innovative face shield that can last a lot longer than ordinary face shield. Besides, these face shields are very durable because it is a scratch-free material.
SWOT analysis of GYL manufacturing. Strength. Unique, useful, and necessary because it provides protection against the virus. Weaknesses. Startup has low financial stability, lack of face-to-face interaction with customers, and things harder to achieve because of new normal. Opportunities. People safety-oriented policies. It is mandatory. Being part of innovation and high-pressure situation. Threats. Impact on national economy and the largest competitors, and also no previous exposures.
Market description. The results from conducting a survey were stated that all genders aged 14 to 40 years old are using face shield within Cavite. 97.4% uses face shield and is used for personal or family use. GYL Manufacturing targeted 7-Eleven, Pure Mart, Minimart, and kiosk in Cavite. The breakout of COVID-19 pandemic is an important factor driving the market. Wearing a face shield is still a requirement to avoid the spread or containment of virus among individuals.
Product Development Plan. Face shield is the most important thing that we always have nowadays in this peak of pandemic. We have experts that can test our face shield. First is FDA or Food and Drug Administration, who ensure the safety and efficacy or the quality of health product.
Marketing strategy. Product, anti-scratch face shield. Procedure, plastic sheet cutting, face shield fabrication, attach frame, and packing. Technology, Color Cut FB8000 Pro. Usefulness, lengthening the usage. Durability, strand damage. Convenience, clearer vision. Value, convenience using face shield. Quality, 10 times durable. Tagline, clear protection. Product name, face it. Pricing strategy, determine the actual selling price range. Pricing strategy, high-low pricing strategy, setting a price, cost-based approach, place strategy, channel, business to business within Cavite area. Map location, 359 AC Mercado Street, Wawa 2, Rosario, Cavite. Floor plan. Promotional strategy, social media platform, video promotion, banner, business card. Trade promotion, price up, 5% discount. Free good, 5 pieces free.
Marketing budget. For the social media advertisement, there are 36 units setup bundle that cost 500 per unit with a total cost of 18,000. For banner, with the size of 5 feet by 2 feet, there are 10 pieces that cost 200 per unit with a total cost of 2,000. And then for the business card, there are 90 pieces per 12 that cost 10 per piece with a total of 900. Therefore, the overall cost of the year 2020 is 20,900. For the year 2021, there are 36 setup bundle that cost 1,000 per unit per social media advertisement. That will total to 36,000. YouTube advertising that will appear thrice a week with 12 quantity that costs 2,000 per unit. It will total to 24,000. And for the last year 2022, the total cost of 192,000. There will be 2 particulars, which are social media advertisement that has 36 bundle with a cost of 2,000 per unit and YouTube advertising with 12 contact that costs 10,000 per unit. Implementation plan. These are the dates and their consecutive part that we did.
Management aspects. Organizational chart includes the general manager. Under the general manager is production, operation, supervisor, and marketing manager. Under this we have production operator, distributor or driver, helper, and sales staffs.